Are you looking for a way to cook food on the go without using any power?
Well, we've got a product for you.
Introducing the all-new Solar Smart Oven.
Yes, with this solar oven you can cook anything.
Anything?
Yes, anything. Solar oven has aluminum foil layered inside to keep the food warm. If you close the box, you notice that there's a flap inside. The flap, if you position it just right, you can see when the sun hits it, it will go right into the box and hit the food exactly where it needs to be.
The reason that we had the rock to begin with was so that it will absorb the heat of the sun and cast it onto the food and that is being cooked on top of it.
So, how the oven works is that before you start cooking, you need to place the desired food in it, and then it'll start cooking it, it'll warm it up and stuff. So, yeah.
After, you close the lid to the oven and wait till it's done cooking. It's that easy.
That easy? Wow.
This is a great way to cook your food when you are camping.
The kinetic molecular theory states that the molecules are constantly in motion. The more slow and compact the molecule means that it is in a solid state.
At first, we created our oven with just tin foil and insulator, but we tested our theory and we realized it wasn't going to cook. Then we added a rock, and then we realized the rock wasn't heating up as much as it was going to, so we had to redo our design one more time. So then we decided that we were going to add black paper and saran wrap to the top of it to see if it works, and it worked.
The reason for the saran wrap was so that it was like a protective layer so the heat stays inside the oven. And then the reason for the black paper was because black gets really hot in the sun, and yeah.
Inside the solar oven, the phase change that is occurring is the food is melting and or liquefying. Melting is a change of molecule state from solid to a liquid. The transfer is endothermic. The reason why it is endothermic is because the sun is entering through the saran wrap and hitting the food to make it cook faster.
Now that's some science, suckers.
The solar oven basically just catches the heat from the aluminum foil and then warms up the food to make it cook. The insulation helps maintain the heat in the box and adds some more heat to the inside since it takes up more space.
Oh, finally, the width of this solar oven is 6 inches, and the length is 13.25 of an inch, and the height is 4.5 inches.
Order yours now for the amazing price of $19.95.
And if you're one of the first 10 callers, we'll give you another one absolutely free.